This video will show how to use Synchronizer to view a synchronized transcript. Let's first take a look in the job folder. This will have all the different formats that we deliver by default. The MP4 video in this case would have been placed into this folder so that these transcripts will be able to find the video when they look for it. I'm going to go into the Synchron folder, which is our free player. In this folder there's the Synchronizer downloader and the .sync file. The .sync file is the actual transcript, the synchronized transcript. The Synchronizer downloader will download, install, and load the .sync file if you run it. If you don't have Synchronizer installed, it will download it and install it. If you already have it installed, it'll still open this sync file that's in the same folder, but you can also double-click on the sync file to launch the Synchronizer Player, which will also load the video. Once it's loaded, we can scrub along anywhere in the video and it will cue the transcript to that exact line. Similarly, we could go to a different line in the transcript, double-click, and it will cue the video to that point. Next thing to look at is how to make clips, and that's as simple as selecting range of text. For example, I could select this question and answer. If I right-click and add to the clip list, I'll call it treat, and just for demonstration I'll scroll down and pick another Q&A, right-click, add to clip list. If we want to view all the clips, there's a thing called the clip list manager. I'm going to double-click on the title bar here to maximize so we can see more. We can see either clip. Next basic function is exporting these clips if you choose to, and that is as simple as File, Export. The default is to burn the captions into the video and make them visible. You could also not have them visible. Choose what format you want them exported in. The default is to put them in the same folder where the sync file is located. So it exports the clips, exports the captions, burns the captions in, and then completes. At this point we have the standalone clip files.
So again, this is the very basics of Synchronizer. Check back for more in-depth tutorials to find out all the features available in Synchronizer.